Welcome back to my channel Luxury Drive Car. Today, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air, a harmonious blend of classic elegance and modern innovation. Join us as we explore every facet of this iconic vehicle's revival. A glimpse into history. The Chevrolet Bel Air first graced the automotive scene in 1950. Quickly becoming a symbol of post-war prosperity and American ingenuity. Its distinctive design, featuring hardtop coupes that mimicked convertibles, set it apart from contemporaries. The 1957 model, with its sleek tail fins and chrome accents, remains a timeless classic. However, as automotive trends evolved, the Bel Air was retired after the 1975 model year. The 2025 revival. Fast forward to 2025, and Chevrolet has resurrected the Bel Air, aiming to capture the nostalgia of its heyday while appealing to modern sensibilities. This revival isn't just about design, it's a strategic move to blend legacy with innovation, targeting a generation that values heritage as much as cutting-edge features. Exterior. Retro meets modern. The 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air masterfully reimagines its classic styling cues. The car's sculpted body, chrome accents, and bold grille pay homage to the original while embracing modern aerodynamic principles. Signature LED lighting elements, including striking headlights and a retro-inspired taillight design, add a futuristic touch. Key exterior features include a low-slung silhouette reminiscent of the original, chrome detailing along the windows and grille, and retro-inspired color options like two-tone combinations and vibrant metallic hues. Interior, luxury and technology in harmony. Step inside, and the Bel Air's cabin feels like a time machine equipped for the future. Premium materials, such as leather upholstery and brushed aluminium trims, create a luxurious ambience. The retro theme is carried through with subtle nods to its past, including a dashboard inspired by the 1957 model's iconic design. Modern interior highlights include a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system seamlessly integrated into the dash, wireless charging pads and multiple USB-C ports for connectivity, and spacious seating with customizable ambient lighting and memory foam padding. Powertrain choices. Chevrolet offers the 2025 Bel Air with three distinct powertrain options to cater to diverse preferences. 1. 2.0 liters turbocharged inline-4, base engine, horsepower, 250 horsepower, torque, 275 pounds-feet. Estimated fuel economy, 30 miles per gallon combined. 2. 3.6 liters V6, performance upgrade, horsepower, 325 horsepower, torque, 280 pounds-feet. Sport-tuned suspension for an exhilarating drive. 3. Electric variant, top trim, motor output, 400 horsepower, range, 320 miles on a full charge. Fast charging capability, 80% charge in 30 minutes. Driving dynamics. The 2025 Bel Air boasts advanced engineering, including adaptive suspension and electric all-wheel drive, available on Hyatt rims. These features ensure a smooth ride, agile handling, and enhanced traction on varying terrains. The inclusion of regenerative braking in the F model further highlights Chevrolet's commitment to sustainability. Infotainment and connectivity. The 2025 Bel Air excels in keeping drivers and passengers connected and entertained. Infotainment. 12.3-inch touchscreen with an intuitive interface. Compatibility, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air software updates. Premium audio, a 14-speaker Bose sound system with 3D surround sound. Safety features. Chevrolet equips the Bel Air with state-of-the-art safety technologies, including adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane keeping assist and blind spot monitoring. Comfort and convenience. From ventilated seats to a panoramic sunroof, The Bel Air offers an array of luxury touches. A spacious trunk and clever interior storage solutions make it practical for families and road trips alike. Release date of the 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air. The 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air is slated for release in early 2025, with availability expected to begin in the first quarter of the year. While the exact date has not been confirmed, Chevrolet is anticipated to open pre-orders ahead of the official launch. This highly anticipated model will arrive at dealerships soon after its unveiling, offering enthusiasts a chance to experience the revival of this iconic American car. Pricing and trim levels. The 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air will be available in 3 trims. 1. Base model, starting price, $35,000. Key features: 2.0 liters engine, cloth upholstery, basic infotainment. 2. Mid-range LT, starting price, $42,000. Adds, leather seats, upgraded infotainment, and safety features. 3. Premium F Edition, starting price, $55,000. Includes electric powertrain, all-wheel drive, and advanced luxury features. Each trim offers excellent value, balancing legacy-inspired charm with cutting-edge functionality. Pros and cons of the 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air. Pros. 1. Timeless design with modern updates. The 2025 Bel Air masterfully blends retro styling with modern aerodynamics, offering a nostalgic look without sacrificing current-day functionality. The sleek body, chrome accents, and LED lighting make it an instant head-turner. 2. Variety of powertrain options, with 3 engine options including a fuel-efficient turbocharged 4-cylinder, a robust V6, and an electric variant. The Bel Air caters to a wide range of driving preferences and needs. 3. Luxurious interior. The cabin features premium materials, including leather upholstery, ambient lighting, and high-tech amenities like a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen and a Bose audio system, ensuring both comfort and convenience for passengers. 4. Advanced safety features, equipped with the latest driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. The Bel Air provides peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. 5. Electric option with impressive range. The electric variant offers up to 320 miles on a single charge and fast charging capabilities, making it an appealing choice for eco-conscious drivers looking for a blend of performance and sustainability. 6. Competitive. Please subscribe to my channel and share with like. Please subscribe.